How to use ChatGPT CapCut plugin. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your ChatGPT account. Now click on this option of GPT-4. With that, you're gonna find this drop down, click on it, and over here you're gonna find different ChatGPT Plus plugins. Now you have to enable CapCut plugin. For that, you can scroll all the way down and go to the option of plugin store. Now search for CapCut plugin and install it. After you do that, now you will be able to enable CapCut plugin. Just check in on this option of CapCut and then you are good to go. ChatGPT Plus CapCut plugin is a powerful video generation tool that can create videos based on user input. All you need to do is describe the theme or content of the video you want, such as I want to create a video introducing a product or help me generate a video explaining a certain topic. Here you can see that I have given a prompt to generate a video baking strawberry cake. After you provide a prompt, you can click on this icon. Now it is asking me to provide a brief description or content about baking a strawberry cake. So here I'm going to provide some details. After you provide some details, you can click on this icon again. Now it is providing the detailed script for baking a strawberry cake that I have asked for. If you are satisfied with the script, you can ask for the video now. Using the details I have provided to bake a strawberry cake, ChatGPT CapCut plugin has created a video for me. Now you can click on this option of click here to view the video. Now you have to sign into CapCut. You can use any of these options given over here to sign into CapCut. After you sign in, you will be able to find the video. Now click on the option of confirm. And here you can see that ChatGPT CapCut plugin has created video for me. It has exactly created the video that I have asked for. So this is how you can enable ChatGPT CapCut plugin and use it. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.